देखो बेटा, इसमें आई जस्ट गो विद दिस अगेन. ये क्लाइंट ने दिया हुआ है. सो दीज आर मल्टीपल सेल्स वाइज रिपोर्ट्स विच दे हैव गिवन. सो प्राइमरीली दीज आर क्रॉस टैब रिपोर्ट्स, राइट. सो अगर मैं इसको देता हूँ बेटा, so these are all cross tab reports. So for the sales report, the client has given us a combination of stock group, dealer name, group hierarchy and stock item name. उसमें we have to do an analysis by sales quantity, sales value for each fiscal year, fiscal month, right. The rate which will be extracted is going to be value by quantity. So the distributor channel is coming from the ledger hierarchy. Is it clear, Ritesh? Right. That ledger hierarchy is coming from ledger underscore parent as well as then from the group. So here what we have done is, I'll just go over this again. Let's take the case of ledger case. Right. सबसे पहले बेटा, these are all cross tab reports. Is this portion clear? ऊपर कॉलम है, these are the measures, right? यहां तक क्लियर है कि नहीं है? Team, is it clear? So I make a cross tab report here, and here I have got values of sales inventory and sales quantity. So sales inventory and sales quantity are going to be calculated based on what we have in sales here, amount minus the debit amount, and quantity is credit quantity minus the debit quantity. This logic is there. This is, and we have used all selected here. Now what happens is, inventory value by quantity value is your rate. So I calculate this rate by making a new measure, right. And I will put sales underscore inventory divided by sales underscore inventory quantity. Is this point clear? Sales underscore inventory divided by sales underscore inventory underscore quantity. यहाँ तक clear है बेटा? Everything is clear up till here. This is your measure for rate. So the rate measure is being given by the rate is defined by the following. Rate is equal to sales inventory divided by ये, okay, for where the sales underscore inventory is defined as follows. Sales underscore inventory is the total sales for the time period for which the report is being developed. It includes all the movements associated with the sales accounts, with the ledger sales accounts, excluding the movement types sales order, purchase order, delivery notes and receipt notes. Now once you specify this complete thing, the client does not have any queries here. Is this clear? The total sales amount is defined as total credit amount minus the total debit amount. So this spec is the most important thing. Is this clear? Oh dear, sorry dear.
Recording in progress.
Is this clear, team? Now when I put in the sales underscore inventory underscore quantity, guys, so ask me any amount of question. This is defined as the net movement of the inventory quantity values for all the ledger movements associated with the sales accounts, but excluding the movement types same. Is this point clear, everybody? Yes or no? Because I need you to be able to write the specs, because guys, without the specs it's very risky. Okay, if I don't know what the measure is, then how will you do it? Is this point clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
हाँ बेटा बोलो. Any questions here up till now? Then I come down to your first element, which is going to be this thing. So the end client desires the following hierarchy at the item level. So starting from the lowest to the highest. Is it clear? So item, stock item name, then stock item name parent. So this comes directly from stock item view. Ritesh, is it clear, beta? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now the stock, Devjyoti, is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
है ना बेटा? ये
Yes,
मैं
sir.
पूरा का पूरा स्पेसिफाई करके दे रहा हूँ. So here the measure is going to be sales underscore inventory divided by sales underscore inventory underscore quantity. This is my rate, and I would actually recommend that you define this rate. So once you're defining this rate, then put this details which I have put out in the report specifications. Is this point clear? So that there is no ambiguity. Clear? So in all your projects, whether it's internal with our team or outside, ये practice बेटा बना के रखना. Now I come down to the next one. Stock item name parent. So my stock item name parent, which is going to be is this is being Now, note all the hierarchy elements have been calculated using the row level and filter level context. The reason being that if the data is dirty, then the code should run. Is this point clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
यहाँ तक बेटा ठीक है? Now it might happen that this is a good approach here, but it might not be a very good approach in the actual project because you might have a very clean data. तो उस केस में relationship view से कर देना. Is this clear beta? Now once
Okay,
I bring
sir.
this rate here, so then instead of making a sum, I will make it an average. No point. Let's see how it goes. ठीक है 72835 divided by 55 is 1324. 480 divided by 3 is 160. Is this point clear? Yes or no? Rate you can bring it here. That's what he's wanting, right? And sales underscore inventory is defined as this. So take this DAX code and put it here. Are you understanding it? So that there is no problem. You don't have to justify anything. Is it clear? Any questions, team? You can ask me because the Zoom session is specifically for those people who want to ask me questions. Because what I will do is I will ask you. Right? And then of course I will be looking for deployment very soon on this product. For this project. I'll give the file, na? So once you remove all the tabs and make the headers and all clearly, I'll give the file for deployment. Is this point clear? Yes or no, team?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, let me come down to stock item parent. This comes directly from stock item new. It is item name. Now stock item name parent. So stock item name parent ये आ गया तुम्हारा. ठीक है. So this is defined in DAX as follows. That means based on the item name for the given company, we find the minimum value of the parent from stock item details. Is this clear? Yes or no, beta?
Yes.
क्योंकि बेटा अब मैं आई एम एक्चुअली ब्रेकिंग इट अप सो आई एम मेकिंग इट वेरी वेरी इजी फॉर यू गाइज सो यू कैन easily show it in your resume projects. I'll give you this document. Is this clear?
Yes.
अब नेक्स्ट लेवल ऑफ हायरार्की क्या है बेटा? तो ये क्या हो गया? इसका ग्रुप हो गया. अब ये क्या हो गया? स्टॉक ग्रुप. सो बेस्ड ऑन द स्टॉक आइटम पेरेंट वी पिक अप द ग्रुप नेम. तो ये क्या हो गया? तुम्हारा ग्रुप नेम हो गया. दिस इज ग्रुप नेम. सो वी पिक अप द ग्रुप नेम्स पेरेंट फ्रॉम दिस पर्टिकुलर टेबल. Yes or no?
Okay, sir.
Now is the point clear? Because हो सकता है कि in the morning you guys were having an issue, right? Is this point clear?
Yes, sir.
So stock group underscore parent, this is defined as the parent for the stock item underscore parent, which is the stock group name. Is this clear? For the given company. Clear? फिर D पे आओ. You come down to D. Now I come down to the primary group. So stock group underscore primary. This is the primary group for the stock item underscore parent from the stock group hierarchy for a given company. Is this clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Any questions? So now you should be clear with the entire hierarchy here. Now the ledger hierarchy has been defined using the party ledger name, assuming that the party ledger name is part of sundry debtors. I guess if it is not sundry debtors, how is the sales been made, right? So attached is the hierarchy definition for the same. Correct? Yes or no, beta?
Yes, sir.
So then I pick this up. Party ledger name starting from lowest to highest. So one is party ledger name, lowest hierarchy. Now I want to look into the party ledger name's parent. Yes or no, beta?
Yes, sir.
Because I'm making it so simple that you just it's like, okay, fine, just start with it and you get on with it. So ledger underscore parent is the party ledger name's parent. So ledger underscore parent. This is the party ledger name's parent. That is extracted from the ledger master or the ledger balance snapshot. ये समझ में आया कि नहीं आया? That particular party ledger name has a parent. So I take the entire ledger balance, pick up the parent based on the name and the company name. ये clear हुआ कि नहीं हुआ?
हाँ सर.
Guys, are you able to see also on YouTube video?
Yes sir.
Is it clear? फिर इसके ऊपर चलो ना, इसका बाप कौन सा होगा? Who's his father? So I'm using row level and filter level because in Tally there can be a problem with data. So we don't want the program to stop. So ledger group is his father. Primary group. ये क्या किया मैंने? ये ledger group हुआ ना. So which is senior? This is the now let group underscore parent underscore sundry data. I'm going into ledger view and picking up group underscore parent underscore sundry data. So group underscore parent underscore sundry data is picking up group underscore parent 2 and it's picking up the parent ledger. So इसका लंबा क्यों खींचा था? There must be some reason. Now group underscore parent underscore sundry data is this one. Group underscore parent underscore sundry data. This is the parent of the ledger parent defined in step B. Yes or no? Now group underscore parent underscore sundry debtor at ledger underscore view is defined as follows. थोड़ा सा बेटा ये कॉम्प्लेक्स है, उसका रीज़न कुछ होगा, बिकॉज आई मस्ट हैव, ये रोहित ने बनाया तो कुछ तो बनाया होगा इसमें कुछ. पेरेंट अंडरस्कोर लेजर ये लिया ना इसने, ग्रुप अंडरस्कोर पेरेंट अंडरस्कोर लेजर ये लिया ना, तो ये वाला आया ना, दिस ग्रुप अंडरस्कोर इट इज पिकिंग अप ग्रुप अंडरस्कोर पेरेंट 2 where the primary group is debtor. ठीक है, makes sense. Why did he do it? So wherever the primary group is the debtor, he is picked it up. But why did it end up? And group underscore parent 2 is defined as group underscore parent underscore 2 is defined as follows. So whatever is the parent ledger for the given company name, I go ahead and filter the entire group and I pick up the group's parent. ये समझ में आया? This is actually what is coming out. Is it clear? Yes or no, team?
Yes, sir.
Okay, dear. And the primary group for the ledger is calculated as follows. I think the name will have to be changed. So ledger group primary, so this has to be ledger group underscore primary करना पड़ेगा, otherwise this will create a lot of problems. So this is straight away the primary group, इसके नीचे आएगा ना सारा. Now it becomes very easy. Is it clear? So this is the primary group for the party ledger name of a given company associated with the voucher master ID. Correct? Yes or no? Up now you can make the reports with ease and carelessness once you have defined it. So distributor wise sales ledger parent name of the dealer, this is clear. Now the reports are very easy to understand, right? Is it not clear? Okay, I can understand that before it was very complex, but now it should be very, very easy. अब तो सिंपल मैट्रिक्स रिपोर्ट हो गई ना.
हाँ सर.
Is it clear? So now measures are set, the hierarchy is set. Now you simply need to make the matrix crosstab report. Here the rows have to be changed for each different report. The remaining all is the same. So what you guys need to do is, this is sales analysis dealer wise. अगर मैं इसको लेता हूं, प्राइमरी ग्रुप, स्टॉक ग्रुप पेरेंट, स्टॉक आइटम पेरेंट, आइटम नेम. Then distributor wise sales. So the hierarchy is ledger parent, party ledger name, stock item parent. ठीक है, right? This rate is going to be here, or shall I calculate it? Shall I put the rate here? If I put this rate here, should it be average or sum? अगर मैं average करता हूँ तो क्या होता है? This should also work. I think this is a better way which we have done. Jai Mata Di, Jai Mata Di. ये हो गया. So in this way you can take all these 5 spreadsheets and simply make any kind of report that you want. So this is a stock group, this is an item, this is the dealer. So dealer wise sales. ये भी बन जाएगी. Is it clear? So what you need to do is remove all the Excel spreadsheets so that there is minimal load. What I had asked you to do was to remove all these Excel spreadsheets. ये वाली जो extra वाली सब हटा दो. And give them only starting from this. 4 दे दो client को. But the client has not asked for anything else. Is this clear?
Okay, sir.
Devjyoti beta, is it clear?
Yes,
so
sir.
who will do it? Because
Yes.
who will do it? Who will remove all the Excel spreadsheets? The other thing you need to do is to make the header, which you should be able to do
Okay,
it
sir.
from your end. Header कैसे, visualization कैसे होगा? But I've done everything. Is this clear? तो ये
Yes,
4
sir.
reports जो है client
Yes,
को
sir.
release कर दो. You give me this report, I'll release it to the client. He can refresh it. Header डाल दो. Don't keep any other things. जो excess है वहाँ से हटा दो. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
That's it. So now I have made things clear for you. So I will be adding the details onto the Google Drive folder. I'll be giving you the Power BI file as well as the specs, as well as this file. Right, and by evening give me this Power BI file to be given to the client. Clear? Anything the team needs from me?
No, sir.
It's actually very simple now. Okay, dear?
Okay, sir.
Recording stopped.